How to remove Facebook account or how to remove saved Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How To Apps. This is me Pipan Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove your Facebook account from your device or saved account from your device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. You want to simply open up your Facebook account, and what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option logout. Simply tap on logout and then you want to log out. Once you log out here, you'll get your saved accounts right here on the screen. Now here you can see here it's logging me out currently. Now you can see I have two different accounts on my phone. Now in order to remove a particular account from your Facebook or to remove a particular saved account, what you want to do is on this login page here, you want to tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you can see your two different profiles that you have saved will pop up. You want to tap on the particular profile that you wish to remove. Once you tap on it here, you can see the remove profile option on the screen. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you for confirmation that you want to remove the account. Simply tap on remove option again and it'll be removed. So this way you can remove the account from Facebook or remove saved account from Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.